In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the exam element. I've written here the history element and listed the three components in the history element and the minimum scores that you need in order to achieve a level 4 bill, because that is the goal. We don't want to overbill, and we don't want to underbill. So level 4 will hopefully keep us happy. Now, this is also this particular element is one that puts a smile on my face because it's probably the simplest element to discuss, and that's because there are really no components to this element. You basically have to address 8 organ systems if you want to give your exam element a score that puts you in position for level 4 billing. 1 bullet point in each system. Now keep in mind, if you need more bullet points, feel free, but have 1 bullet point in 8 organ systems. For a kidney doctor, that's pretty easy to do because our exams are quite thorough each and every time we see a patient. So what could these organ systems even be? The general appearance, the psychiatric condition of the patient, that's pretty easy. We always do a heart exam, we always do a lung exam, we always do an abdominal exam. The neuro exam can also be done because you do watch the patient walk in and out of the room. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last exam that I do is musculoskeletal, 8. So 1 bullet point in each of these systems will give you an exam score that puts you in position for level 4 billing. But keep in mind, if your patient warrants more than 1 bullet per system, go ahead and do that. The point of E&M is not to game the system and provide the bare minimum to get the score that you need for proper reimbursement or for the reimbursement you're looking for, but the point of the E&M system is to help remind you that these things need to be addressed. And so you can include 4 bullet points for the abdomen or 3 bullet points for cardiovascular if that's what you feel is necessary, but try to cover 8 organ systems, not necessarily these organ systems, but any 8 organ systems that are appropriate for the patient that you're seeing and for the disease process that you're managing. So that's the exam element, the most straightforward element in the E&M system. We'll move on to MDM, which is medical decision making, which arguably is probably the most complicated element in the entire system.